Yeah, welcome back. In this class, we are going to discuss about the non-electrical properties of MOSFET. In this, the first non-electrical property is the threshold voltage, and the second is body effect, and the third is channel length modulation. As we know very clearly, the threshold voltage. What is threshold voltage? Yeah, absolutely. The minimum voltage required to enhance the channel or the minimum voltage required to deplete the channel is known as threshold voltage. Now we will discuss about what is threshold voltage. The minimum voltage required here, if you observe, to enhance the channel or to deplete the channel. This is known as threshold voltage. This is the first non-electrical property of MOSFET. Now we can see the next non-electrical property, which is a body effect. Now you can observe that we know that in a MOSFET we are having 4 terminals. What is that? Gate, you can observe source, drain and body. That is a bulk. Now if you observe that whenever a body for an NMOS transistor is connected to ground, what is happening here? When it is connected to ground, it will repel the electrons and it will help us to form a channel very quickly. Is it clear? That means here we can say that whenever the electrons are moving towards the channel and it takes less time to form a channel, then we can say that the threshold voltage is going to be decrease. Is it clear? Now we will take one more, that means a reverse process here. Now you can observe whenever this body is connected to some supply, let us consider a positive supply. It is not ground now, let us consider it is VDD. Is it clear? Then what is happening here? It will attract the what we'll call electrons towards downside. That means what is happening here? The threshold voltage is increasing. That means it is very clear for us that due to this substrate bias voltage, that means due to this body biasing, there is a change in the threshold voltage. Sometimes it is decreasing, sometimes it is increasing. This effect is known as what? Body effect. Is it clear? In the form of definition, we can observe that due to substrate bias voltage. What is meant by substrate here? Absolutely. What is the substrate? Body. Due to substrate bias voltage, there is a change in threshold voltage. Is it clear? This effect is known as what? Body effect. Then we will see the channel length modulation. Now we know that after formation of channel, what is the length of the channel? L is the length of the channel. But in saturation region, what is happening? Absolutely, when this drain source voltage is equals or greater than the effective gate voltage, then the channel is going to be pinch off. Is it clear? That means the channel is going to be pinched off in this fashion. What is the pinch off length of the channel? Let us consider it is L short. Now what is the remaining length of the channel? This remaining length of the channel, let us assume it is L effective. Now what is the modulation present in the channel? If somebody asks, well, what is the remaining effective length? Can anybody try to tell? Absolutely, this L minus L short. Is it clear? L minus L short. We will see some more clearly here. Now you can observe whenever VDS is greater than or equals to VGS minus VT in saturation region, actually the length of channel is L. Here there is a pinched off channel. What is the length of that pinched off channel? L short is the length of the pinched off channel. What is the remaining length of your channel now? L effective I am considering. Then what is the L effective if somebody asks? Absolutely, L minus L short. Is it clear? This change in the length is known as channel length modulation. That means channel length modulation is going to be present in only one region, that is a saturation region. Whenever VDS is greater than or equal to VGS minus VT, then there is a change in the length of the channel. This is known as channel length modulation. Is it clear, all of you? If anybody are having any queries regarding the non-electrical properties, please comment. Is it okay? Up to now, if anybody are having any queries, please comment. Why? Because in the next class I'm going to discuss about some of the problems regarding the electrical properties of MOSFET. After that I will discuss the inverter concept. Is it okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.